Okay, I'm back. Now it's kind of like no more leak. See? Opening this, closing, no leak. This one opening, closing. Okay, if there's a leak, this should be coming up right there. It looked like it's a success. It is a success. Woohoo! Okay, I'm gonna hope you like this, and if you do, if you have any question, let me know. Okay, again, is this like a changing the valves for the Moen product 1248? And hope you like this video. Just if you need anything, you can ask question. Okay, have a good day. Bye.